Hey guys, hope you had a nice long weekend. Today we're going to look at chapter 15.6, just part of the section today, and going to introduce concept of discount and markup. Discounts you probably know. Discount is something that lowers the price. We call them a sale or just a discount's common word. But markup you might not know. Markup's a little bit different. Let me show you what these two things are. So a discount is when the price is decreased, obviously, on an item. A markup is what a store charges in order to make a profit. So they'll buy things at one price and then they will add a percentage to it and then resell it to us as consumers at a higher price, and that's how stores stay in business. So markups are usually a percentage and discounts usually a percentage. So today we're just going to learn to calculate those two different things. So the first question is: a shirt costs the store $50. That means that's what the store is paying. That's not what you're paying. And the store is going to mark up that price 20%. So we need to find out what's the selling price, and that should be a question mark. So in order to do that, there are two steps. First is we have to find what is 20% of 50. So we can set up a quick proportion, 20 over 100 for 20%. Our total cost is 50. So in order to solve this, well, we're just dividing by 2, so that would be 10. So $10 represents the markup. So the original cost is $50. Their markup is $10. So when they finally sell it to you, $50 what the store paid, $10 is how much they're raising the price, $60 would be the new price for the selling price for the shirt. Next one, we have a phone. And this phone was going the opposite way. This phone was on sale, so it was discounted by 30%. So what we need to do first is to find our 30% of 500. Another one that's pretty straightforward. We go from 100 to 500 times 5. 30 times 5 is $150. Now that's not the new price, that is the discount. So we take our original price of 500, subtract the $150 discount, and our new selling price is $350. So two steps in these problems, and we looked at both types there. To find the markup or discount, this would be a good thing to write down as you're doing some practice today. First thing you're doing is finding the percent of the number for either markup or a discount. Once you found that number, that's where it matters. If it's a markup, you're adding that to your original number. If it's a discount, you're going to subtract it. So here's a couple for you to try. Let me just stop the recording here for a second and see if you can solve these, and then I'll come on and do that. First one is telling you there's a markup of 150%. Second one's set up a little bit differently, but it tells you the original price, the discount, and then asks for the sales price. So pause. Okay. All right. So calculator costs the store $20. They mark it up 150%. So for 150%, that seems like a really big percentage. But for a lot of items, depending on the category, stores will mark up either that much or even more for some items. And we know that 20 is the original price, so the 20 goes on the bottom. So I could use cross products. I'll use cross products this time. 20 times 150 is 300. 300 divided by 100. I'm sorry, 3,000. 3,000 divided by 100 is 30. So what does the 30 represent in this problem? 30 is the markup, not the new price. That's just the markup. So as we're finding percentages here, percentages of the number, we're either finding what the markup value is or the discount, and then we need to work with the original price. So the calculator started out, or cost the store $20. The store is increasing it through a markup, $30. So our new total price, our new selling price for the calculator is $50 total. And then the last one here, discount is 20%, so we find 20% of 60 equals 1,200 divided by 100 equals 12. So our discount of 20% is $12. 60 minus 12, we end up with $48 total. All right, hope everybody's doing well. The assignment is on big ideas. Should be the only one visible to you guys, and it is called Markup and Discount 15.6. Thank you. Hope everybody's doing well.